What you're looking at here is the website hrefs.com, which is an expensive SEO tool that I pay for. And what we're analyzing is the website breaking80.com, which is a niche golf blog. This is the back end of their website. They have a domain rating of 40 out of 100. On a scale of 1 to 100, this is showing you how authoritative Google sees this site. This is influenced by a lot of things. The most notably is how long it's been around and how many people have linked to it over time. So, a brand new website would have an authority rating of 0, whereas a big website like the New York Times would be closer to 100. The most important things I want to show you here are the organic traffic that this one blog receives every month. So this is a golf blog, the best golf courses and golf product reviews, 76,500 traffic every month, ongoing, consistently, evergreen each month, every 30 days. Around this many people show up to their website and read their blogs. That traffic has a traffic value of $34,900 every single month. The reason for that is because this 76,500 organic traffic is very valuable to an advertiser, to uh, partnering companies, to golf products, golf courses, golf makers. If you make golf clubs, you're going to want to get in front of this many eyeballs. And if this website can provide you with those eyeballs, it is very valuable real estate. So the way that they get those eyeballs is via these keywords. So they rank for 36,300 keywords every single month. People go to Google and they type in these terms. At least in the United States, they search for the term golf shoes 125,000 times, and that drives them, who are in position 8, 3,651 traffic every single month. This page, breaking80.com slash best golf shoes, ranks on page 1. They're position 8. They get 3,651 traffic from it, and the keyword itself is golf shoes. So if you want to open that up, you can say, okay, breaking80.com slash best golf shoes. This is the page. And if you're one of the 3,000 or 125,000 people who search this term every month, this page might presumably solve your problem. The best golf shoes of 2021, 8 shoes for every type of golfer. The best golf shoes, what to look for, etc. So there's a game I like to play called Why Is It Ranked There? So one thing I like to point my clients to do is download this free Chrome extension called SEO Meta in one click. When you click it, what you can do is you can analyze a page and play the game Why Is It Ranked There? And you open it up and you'll see the title of this page is called Best Golf Shoes of 2021. The meta description is that looking for the best golf shoes. We've got the best golf shoes. The header structure of the website, the H1 is called Best Golf Shoes of 2021. H2, the best golf shoes, what to look for. Best overall golf shoe, best golf shoe under $100, best traditional golf shoe, best non traditional golf shoe, best women's golf shoe. So when Google is crawling this website, they have no doubt that this is about the best golf shoes. Any images on here? There's a lot of images, and they all involve the word golf shoes, golf shoes, golf shoes. Nike Flyknit golf shoes, best golf shoe under $100. So whenever Google crawls this webpage, they have no doubt that when somebody is searching the term golf shoes, this deserves to be up there. Similarly, best golf rangefinder, they're in position 1 for that. That gets searched 4,400 times per month and sends them 2,282 traffic every month. Let's take a look at that. The best golf rangefinders in the URL, in the title, in the meta description, the best golf rangefinders. Headers, the best golf rangefinders 2021. What to look for in a golf rangefinder. The best golf rangefinder. I don't even know what a golf rangefinder is, but I know that that's what this page is about very clearly. Breaking 80, the best golf courses. Here's a best golf rangefinder. Here's a rangefinder. These are all the images that are on this page. So this is obviously a long article. They put a lot of work into. And look, they're Amazon affiliates. So we earn a commission if you click this link and make a purchase at no additional cost to you. So they obviously, this website obviously has invested a lot of time and effort and energy into making their SEO strong. But that is the beauty of it. It's actually very replicable. You find terms that you can rank for in your niche, and make the best pages on the internet. Tell Google what it's about, optimize it appropriately, put your descriptions here and your headers, add images everywhere, and actually make a useful post for people so that when they search best golf rangefinders, they will find your page. One more trick here is you can go to the top pages of a site, scroll down to the bottom here, and you'll see this best golf rangefinders. This is the top pages on the site, 459 of them. That best golf rangefinders page, the page itself actually drives 17,799 traffic to it, not for the keyword that gets searched. How many times that was 4,400. So even though that gets searched fewer times, if you go to the page itself, you'll find that it gets a lot more traffic than there are searches. Why is that? So if you open up the page itself, you'll say, okay, these are all the keywords that this one page ranks for. Best golf rangefinders actually ranks for 1,365 keywords because remember, people search in a lot of different ways. They might search best golf rangefinder, they might search best rangefinder golf, they might search Bushnell rangefinder, and look at that. They're position one for all of these. They're number seven for Bushnell rangefinder. But all of these different posts, all these different keywords drive them traffic. So that is how this one best golf rangefinder page can drive 17,799 traffic every single month to it. They write it once, they optimize it, they update it occasionally, and just like that, one article driving 17,799 traffic just for being a lot of words with some images. It's helpful to Google to show them this. It's helpful to the site. And that is how this site makes a lot of money. Reminder, they're making around this much per month just in organic traffic from Google. That's not to say there's partnerships that they might get, the sponsorships they might have, affiliate posts that they might earn money from sending from Amazon, or if they have a newsletter that other companies are trying to sponsor. There's just so much you can do with this. So for example, just hypothetically, say you had 76,500 organic traffic every month and you were selling an ebook. I'm just speculating here, but say you're selling an ebook on the best golf things, $49.99 for this ebook, and 1% of them, 76,500 people came to your website every month, and 1% of them made a purchase of your ebook. That's 765 people every month who bought your ebook at 765 people times, I don't know, say it was a $49 ebook. Every month, you'd be making $37,485 in revenue from that. It's just insane. It's bonkers. If you drive a lot of traffic to a site, there's just so much you can do with it. And that is the beauty of SEO is it's not exactly rocket science. You just have to understand it. The name of the game in SEO is always going to be finding keywords that you can rank for. Let's say I'm a golf blog, and find keywords that you can rank for in your niche and write those articles that'll be the easiest to rank for. So, for example, we just narrowed down the word golf, and now we have 3 million possibilities. But we can say, I only want to see things that are easy to rank for on a scale of 1 to 100. 10 is very easy. So if I was a new blog, I might theoretically be able to do that. And I want to say things that only include the word best golf somethings. And right off the bat, here's a bunch of opportunities that are easy to rank for, and it's very easy to understand what they're looking for. Best disc golf discs. Okay, maybe that's not what I'm looking for, but best golf grips. Maybe I know a lot about that. I'm not a golfer per se, but I'm seeing a trend here. Best golf pants, 3,000 traffic or 3,000 monthly volume, 10 keyword difficulty. It's easy to rank for. Best golf shorts, best golf shoes for walking, best golf balls for beginners, best golf clubs for seniors. Just like that, we just found what 20 different blog opportunities that'll all easily rank for terms because it's not difficult to rank for. So if you know a lot about golf, it's just a matter of writing these articles, ranking for them, and having a site about golf that you can throw them up on. And then you drive traffic to your site, and voila, money.